going on, guys? It's your boys, Frogan Reactions here. My name's Logan.
And mine is Francesco.
And in today's video, we are going to be discussing about the test.
We're going to be doing lots of tests, in-depth tests with the iMac here today. We're going to be doing camera tests, audio tests, some gaming tests, how many Chrome tabs can you open tests, how many apps can you open at the same time. Lots of amazing tests for you to see how well this computer runs. So, we're going to do it this way because it's complicated to look the other way, so we're going to screen record and we'll put this up right now. So, cue that intro.
Woo! Okay, while this thing is downloading.
Okay, so we're currently downloading Rust for the gaming test, but we're gonna get into the rest of the tests here. So first, we're going to start off with sound and camera tests. So let's go into YouTube over here.
We're gonna get copyright-free music.
Yes, we'll get copyright-free music. We don't want to get a copyright strike over here. That would not be good. You know what I'm saying? We're going to turn this around so you can hear it better. And we're going to skip to the end. Listen to this beautiful sound quality. Beautiful.
Okay, now let's rate the sound quickly. Now let's rate the sound.
Okay.
10 out of 10 for sound.
Now we're gonna do a camera test here.
Now we're gonna do a camera test.
So I'm going to pull up. Where is it? I will find it.
10 out of 10 for sound so far. Hello, how you doing? Hey, peace out. Let's go.
Can you? How does it look?
How does it look?
I'm looking right up there.
Oh, we're looking right up here. You see that right there? That's a piece. Woo!
Honestly, it looks much better than the MacBook potato camera that we've gotten throughout the years. Okay.
So camera, 10 out of 10. What do you think?
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Why?
Because I feel like it could just be a little more crisp.
Okay. Now, what's the next one?
How
many tabs do
Let's try how many tabs we can do.
Okay, let's go. So we're at 1. We're gonna count a little total here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Oh, it's starting to lag.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it's not doing good. Okay, hold on. I think that's as much as it can go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 tabs open, and honestly, on my crappy MacBook Pro, this would have been
lagging.
The end of the world here.
But we're happy.
It's only 16 gigs, that's why it's not crazy. It's already lagging, so we're gonna quit.
We're gonna quit everything.
Google Chrome over here. Okay, so now we're gonna do multiple apps open at once.
Okay, let's see how many apps.
Boom, 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 boom. We're gonna skip Final Cut because it's very intensive.
Wow.
Holy crap.
I give a round of applause. 10 out of 10 for everything.
Look at all those apps. Oh my god.
Oh my god, this is insane.
And let me search apple.com.
Not
Look
sponsored.
at that. Look at that. Okay, pretend I didn't do that wrong. But the apps are still opening, but I have Rust downloading in the background, so ignore that. But look at all that. They're all open.
Everybody gotta give a round of applause for Apple here.
Okay, so we're gonna quit all these apps. Oh, okay, let's do some disk speed tests here. We're gonna do disk speed test. Blackmagic disk speed test here. Wow! Oh! Holy crap! My MacBook doesn't get close to that. It probably maxes out at 1,000. This is 3,000. Read and write. And 2,800 read. Holy crap, this is fast. Okay. Here's our graphics settings for Rust.
I can't wait to play. Let's go. Let's play right into this.
And we're running 4480 by 2560.
Let's play this game.
Basically 4K.
Let's get right into it.
Of course, it has to load me into a nighttime.
You want to know something? It's gaming time. Let's go.
It looks pretty good. It's nighttime right now, which sucks. I have to load in at nighttime, but it's pretty smooth. Let's see the FPS counter. We're gonna find where it shows FPS. I cannot figure out the FPS thing.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you want to like, comment, subscribe, and if you could please leave that notification bell rung. Oh my god, I'm running on less sleep. Press the like button if you like the video.
We're filming this late at night because the iMac took a little bit of a while to get here, but we wanted to film it today so we can get the video as fast as we can for you guys to see. So if you haven't checked out our unboxing already, where we unbox this beautiful beast, check it out at the card up there, or the link in the description down below. We hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace!